Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. So today I'm installing a braided wig. Yes, a braided wig from WeQueen hair. They were kind enough to send over this braided wig for me to try for you all today. And let me just go ahead and tell you, the wig is giving, okay? It is giving. If you've been on the hunt for a braided wig, look no further. You have found a great one right here. So to install my wig today, I'm going to be using this Ebin Wonderlace Bond Spray. This spray is everything. It is going to hold your wig down literally for good until you are ready to take it off. I promise. You're going to get some nice, long-lasting hold with this spray. So if you're interested in the spray, check my description bar below. I'll have a link there for you where you can purchase it from. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray my forehead with this spray, and then I'm going to basically put the wig on and just kind of hold it in place for a little bit so that it dries down. That's a good thing about this spray. It works very, very quickly, and it will dry down and hold your wig in place really quick, almost instantly. So then I'm going to just work on cutting that lace off, leaving the baby hairs on. I want to make sure that I'm very precise with cutting off that lace so we don't get rid of any of the baby hairs. And then I'm just going to work the baby hairs all around my forehead until I get the desired look that I'm headed for. I really wasn't sure because I knew that I wanted the wig to look as natural as possible. And I know they gave me a lot of baby hairs, and I really didn't want to cut them off to ensure that, I still have the length that I need to work with once I figure out, what I want to do. So I recommend don't cut it until you know what look you're going for. Maybe play with it with the length as is until you can figure out specifically what you want to do. So this unit does have some lace space for you all to install your wig with. You also have some combs in the inside of the unit. It comes with an elastic band for your extra security needs, and you have an adjustable strap in the back, and you can see the very detailed look in the front of the wig. They give you so many baby hairs to work with. The unit is just giving natural. You can also go in and add some makeup, lace scent spray, whatever you need. But this lace does come tinted already. It has like a more of a brown undertone to it, and they were kind enough to include some jewels for me to add to the hair later on. So once I get the baby hairs done, laid in place, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of makeup, put it around my hairline, in between the braids, all of that. So it'll be giving more so scalp. You know, it's going to just really help with making that wig look super duper natural. And that's basically the last step. Once you add that makeup, that's it, y'all. That's it. So, and now we're going to move on to just showing you guys like what these braids look like. I'm going to add some jewels. You can see the back of the hair, see the front of the hair, see what it looks like with all of them just being laid down with kind of like a bust down in the middle part look. I really wasn't sure where I was headed with the jewels. I knew I wanted to add some, but I didn't want to just add them all over in case I wanted to take them out. So I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like with the hair pulled to the side. You know, that's the good thing about this, having a frontal effect. You can really style it up how you please. Now, the only thing I would say is you probably won't be able to like put it into a really top knot, like a high bun, because it doesn't have like lace in the back. It would definitely expose you more if you pull your hair up into a top bun. But if you want to pull it into a low ponytail, for sure, that's a go. You can definitely do that. Also show you what the inside of the unit looks like just for your needs if you are planning on trying to do like some different style with the hair, so you'll see what you're working with before you make your purchase. Overall, I really do like this wig, you guys. It's gonna have to be a 10 out of 10 in my book. I will definitely be wearing this braided wig a whole lot more. You are gonna see it all up and down my Instagram page, TikTok page, whatever. Speaking of which, go ahead and follow me over there. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'm gonna have a direct link there for you all so that you can get the same exact wig. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. For sure, I really want to know what you guys think. Would you try it? Leave me a thumbs up as well while you're at it. Turn on those post notifications as well so you'll know when I post. And thank you to WeQueen here for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.